My name is Brian Brown. I'm the Director of Robotics and Automation. So at NIAR we do a number of different things. We do everything from building small components to actually working with the large components. We recently expanded into full-scale structural testing and full-scale analysis. Automation can be used for a number of different processes. One of the big ones is metrology and inspection, since we do have to inspect nearly every part that comes in from vendors and every part that we build in-house. That's a high place where we need a lot of automation solutions. NIAR worked with Hexagon Metrology to come in and install our equipment on our robot, and then from there we was able to demonstrate to the customer that, hey, this is a viable solution in a large aerospace market using a larger aerospace part, and how it would work in their processes and how it would work for them. They were able to see right away the usefulness and the effectivity of the Hexagon equipment using a robot very similar to theirs and utilizing a rail with a larger component rather than trying to use just a simple demo part. We are very excited for the future and our future work with Hexagon Metrology. As they develop new equipment, we can work on getting that in here and work on testing it and helping prove to the aerospace industry and the lower production markets just how effective it can be. I believe the future between NIAR and Hexagon is very bright and very exciting, because with all of our automation tools that we're working on and our automation techniques that we're working on, we can then integrate that in with the Hexagon Metrology equipment to actually expand and grow what we can do with the Hexagon Metrology scanners and their white light scanner and all their other various equipment. This will give us and give the aerospace market that leading edge that we can come in and make sure we are building a quality product every single time.